Hello guys, how are you all? I hope that you all are fine and good. Welcome back to my YouTube channel Salma's Fashion World. In this video you can watch most beautiful frock ideas, latest frock designs with chinners, plaits and pin tucks. In this video you can watch most beautiful, elegant, gorgeous and trendy designs, most beautiful ideas. You can watch here 100 designs and latest variety of different model dresses. You can watch most beautiful designer dresses, tailor ideas and outlets, boutique styles here. You can get the most trendy design here. You can watch easily on the screen. Different models are wearing these dresses. These frocks and detailing is very beautiful. Dear guys, you can make these designs, you can create these ideas on different kind of fabric. You can get summer fabric, winter fabric, as well as chiffon fabric. You can make these designs on wedding dresses, events dresses, as well as on casual dresses, on contrast, on plain source. You can get these ideas, you can make and stitch like designer dresses. If you like my video and if you like my channel, please take screenshot, and if you like these designs you can watch full video and you can get screenshot by seeing it to the tailor. If you are expert at stitching, you can get these ideas by yourself. These ideas are very trendy and beautiful and so easy. If you are expert, you can make by stitching so easily at your home. If you want to learn these ideas, you can watch my videos previously. I have explained a lot of ideas with you by stitching and by cutting tutorials. These designs are very trendy and beautiful. You will look gorgeous and decent by wearing these designs. Chunds, pin tucks, plaits and box plaits are very unique. Modest, gorgeous and trendy, elegant look you can create. These floral frocks, ruffle styles, angrakha styles are very beautiful. Different models has worn these dresses. Friends, if you like my video, press bell icon and subscribe my channel. And if you like more, then comment in the comment section. I will explain everything, every tutorial with you. And please do like my video and plus subscribe my channel. These designs are very trendy and latest. Eastern and Western both sides can wear. In summer seasons, these are very cozy dresses, very easy and comfortable. These are frocks and kurtas. You can make it kurta by this style, and you can also make this by your frocks.